Code Crazy today with another video. And today, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for 300 subscribers. You guys are all so awesome. And I know you can hear her laughing right now, but today we're going to be joined by CANCUN!
Hi!
Yeah, so CANCUN's the one that brought all the squishies we're going to be reviewing today, and so that's the reason she's here and all.
Yeah! Squishies! Go squishy! Go squishy!
Alright, CANCUN, you gonna bring the squishies out now?
Here they are!
CANCUN, I am really surprised. You actually brought real squishies this time. Anyways.
So I'm just gonna do the rest of the review by myself. This is my first squishy, and I got it off of eBay for only like $2 or something, and oh jeez, it's not a very good squishy.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So I got this squishy from Dollar General for about like $4. Squish it. I got this lemon squishy from the Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure it's a soccer ball. Yeah! I got this squishy from Jungle Gems for about $8. And it's a little turtle. Go, turtle! Go! Go! Oh, I think I just killed it. Oh. I also got this squishy at Jungle Gems for the same price. And it's still alive! Meow. I got these 3 squishies at Walmart for $7! $7! And now I'm going to have the hands of epicness squish these.
Hands of epicness.
So rising. Goodbye, guys, and don't forget to eat your cookies.